Welcome to the ReDEx tutorial series. Since the default landing page is the Smiles Similarity Check tab, we'll begin our first video by exploring its features. This tab allows you to quickly test chemical similarity using only the Tanimoto Coefficient. Smiles can be added manually or through Excel, with a demo dataset provided. The test dataset contains a single column with 259 smiles. To demonstrate the manual entry field, we'll input the first 2 smiles one at a time, pressing Enter after each entry, and then examine the results. Once the analysis is complete, a table is generated, along with controls to adjust the Tanimoto coefficient threshold and an option to save the table. Each row in the table provides links to the similar drugs and, when available, to the diseases they are used to treat. The default Tanimoto threshold is 0.9. In this example, there are 6 pages of results, but lowering the threshold can retrieve even more matches. And indeed, we can see that lowering the threshold generated more pages and additional results. We can go ahead and save the table. By viewing it, we can confirm that the Tanimoto threshold we entered was applied and all the links remain available. We can test a link by clicking the first entry. For this example, it takes us to the drug bank database, which provides detailed information about the selected drug. Returning to the tool, clicking the same drug directs us to the same link, verifying that both links function properly. We can also check the links for the diseases. The tool attempts to connect each disease to the comparative toxicogenomics database by searching its name. This may return multiple results, but we can manually select the correct one. This database provides a wide range of information for each disease, including associated chemicals, genes, phenotypes, and more. For the demonstration of the Input Files field, we'll reduce the example dataset to only 5 smiles. Here we can see that the table spans 7 pages. To identify which smiles corresponds to each row, there's a column labeled Input Smiles. That concludes our overview of the Smiles Similarity Check tab, covering data input, threshold adjustments, and result exploration. In the next tutorial, we'll cover the Drug Repurpose tab. Thank you for watching.